Hi, I'm Associate Professor Daniel Elkin. I'm the Program Leader of the Environmental Design and Interior Design Specialisms at the Hong Kong Polytechnic University School of Design. The Environmental Design and Interior Design Specialisms, or E&I, teach an independent, creative approach to spatial design. We encourage our students to think for themselves and graduate as spatial design leaders. That's because we know designers who think differently will be the global design voices and creative industry entrepreneurs of the future. We teach students the professional and creative skills they need for successful careers across varied spatial design fields. Our faculty's experience and knowledge expose students to cutting-edge research and technology. We also provide ample opportunities for students to connect with industry collaborators. When our students graduate, they are ready to compete in the global design marketplace with practical skills and creative experience that set them apart. You'll leave E&I ready to work with creative industry leaders or to join our alumni seeking further education in internationally famous institutions. If you're a spatial thinker interested in a dynamic way to learn and to express yourself, come apply for the Environmental and Interior Design program at PolyU and join the design leaders of tomorrow.
Hi, I'm Leo, graduate in 2024, Environment and Interior Design in PolyU SD. The most valuable thing that I learned from the E&I study is how to observe and understand things independently and critically. I remember I was introduced to the term iteration in the very first lesson I had in E&I. It's about the way and the attitude of working to make a design better and revised, which requires independent thinking and critical mind. I presented this idea through an interactive space. They are interactive and movable. I built 1 to 10 physical model of the whole room. I also did a series of A2 and A0 drawings to develop and visualize my design. E&I's curriculum encourages trying and experimenting, which allows students to find and test out their curiosity and turn it into a design concept or project. The good thing is, it helps students walk out from spoon-feed learning to become an independent thinker, designer, and a crafter. In my opinion, learning by working or testing with discussion with tutors will always learn more than only listening to lectures. The curiosity and critical mind are always the driving force for me, and they help me to reach a high standard of design outcome and hopefully bringing new energy to Hong Kong design industry.
The most valuable insight I gained from E&I study is the significance of design thinking. Design is a journey of discovery. It goes beyond aesthetics to focus on users' experience and the synergy between interiors and the environment. I found it challenging and exciting working on a project to integrate conceptual and technical skills when developing theoretical, strategic, and creative thinking skills. My final year project /living addresses the housing issues in Hong Kong, particularly for highly educated millennials who struggle to afford homes, combining multifunctional work and living spaces that emphasize flexibility, self-sufficiency, and shareability. This project has received several regional and international awards, affirming its value to both of the public and design professionals. I'm proud of the work and grateful for the amazing journey it has been. E&I encourage participation in competition and social events, providing valuable opportunities to broaden my horizons. Through hard work, I gained recognition and experience, leading to the founding of a Gleam Interior. Ultimately, this learning journey clarified my goals, steering me toward a career that is impactful and deeply fulfilling.
Hi, my name is Nancy. I'm studying Environment and Interior Design. Now I'm year 4 student. I think it's friendship. It's the friendship that we built in the studio. We come together daily to discuss design and collaborate on our own project. These connections are precious, as many of them they might become my colleagues in the future. And it's always good to have some good buddies in a tough designer pathway. I've learned to apply theoretical knowledge to a real world. realizing that effective design are not only about the aesthetics, but also about the functionalities and mindfulness. During our midterm and final reviews, our professor invited professionals to critique our work. Presenting to strangers is both interesting and challenging, as it requires confidence and courage. Engaging with industry experts provides insight that classroom learning alone cannot offer. Overall, these critiques foster a great learning process, enabling us to refine our skills and prepare for future professional endeavor in this dynamic industry. This blend of practical experience and theoretical knowledge equips us to create space that truly resonate with users.
Hi, I'm Yvonne Tam. I'm a visiting lecturer and I teach advanced drawing and technology courses in the environmental design and interior design specialisms. Students who join us experience a 4-year process of design skills specialization. Students in Year 1 learn design thinking and skills applicable in any design field. They learn skills through iteration, the process of developing work from an idea to realization, and lateral thinking, a design-specific way of transferring ideas from one field to another. In Years 2 and 3, students can choose the environment design cluster and further specialize in either the environmental design or the interior design specialisms. In these 2 years, you learn the creative and technical skills you need to work in interior design or a related spatial design profession, like environmental design, architectural design, landscape design, or urban design. Year 4 in the environmental design and interior design specialisms are all about independent creativity. After 4 years learning how to design space, students in our capstone research and project experience an open-ended, intensive studio that encourages them to pursue their own spatial design interests, leading many of our graduate projects to win international design awards. Why do we teach this way? To make sure our students have a strong creative process they can apply anywhere and to anything. That's what global design leaders need, to be ready for any design challenge and to approach it in their own way.